Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. I have a vintage thrift haul to share with you today. Now for this video, I am not going to be decorating with all of the items. I am going to share some small clips of what I'm going to do with a couple of the items. The rest are going to be included in my fall decorate with me videos. I did already do one, and that was my living room decorate with me for fall. I'm going to leave that link down below. Make sure that you do check that out. And then next I have my fall kitchen decorate with me, and I'm in the process of filming that video, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you aren't already, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. That way you are informed as soon as I have that video up. And also make sure that you like this video if you like it, comment and share. It really helps my channel to grow. And let's just get into the items, because again, I'm really excited to share them with you. First, I'm going to start with this cute little, I don't know what it is. It's like a little pan, and it has this really nice hinged lid. It's broken on this side. I don't know if you can tell, but here it has like a little nail, and then it doesn't have one on this side. That's perfectly fine because it's just going to be for decor. And I love that it has this adorable crest right here. I also love the color that it is. I am going to clean this up, but I'm not going to be too rough because of the color that it is. I already see where it's coming off in some areas, so I'll be gentle, but I'll clean it up. And I can tell that someone had this as a decor as well, because of this large felt pad it has. I love this little handle, so I don't know where I'm going to use it, but I'm going to find a way to hang it up, because again, I just absolutely love this piece, and for $4 it was really cheap. So I just took off that tag, and I actually got it on sale. It used to be $10, so even better of a price. And lately everyone has been thrifting pottery finds or glass that they're making look into pottery. And it's been hard to find really nice pottery pieces lately because everyone is buying them. So I felt really lucky when I found this cute little pottery planter. It was handmade by someone because it has like an initial, it doesn't have a brand. It's really cute. I love the color that it has. I like this technique that makes it look like if they had bubbles. And this didn't have a price, so the lady was really nice to price this for me at the register at $1, which I thought again was a steal. I also got this adorable little tin. It has a duck on it, and this is a Christmas feeling item because it has some holly leaves up top. It has a wreath with a duck and a red bow, and even the wreath has like little holly berries. So really excited to have found this. This was only 50 cents. I don't know if this is vintage or not, but I really love it. I love that it has that feel of something vintage, and I'm going to be using this for my tier tray decorating videos, but that's going to be until Christmas, so you won't see how I use this until December. I also got a pair of these really nice candlesticks. These are ceramic, and they are perfect for Thanksgiving and fall. It has a really nice turkey right here, pumpkins and vegetables here at the bottom. If you turn it around, it has vegetables on the other side, so this is opposite the turkey. I'm going to be making this over. I'm going to clean it really well because it does have some melted wax at the bottom, which usually I don't mind in the candle holders because it gives it character. But since I am going to be painting this, I need to clean it really well, not just like a wipe through. I did get a pair of them, and this one has a small chip down here, but again, I'm going to be giving it a makeover. Really excited for these. These were only $1 each, and I can't wait to share the makeover. I'm not going to do it here yet because I need a specific spray paint to make this over, and it'll kind of give it this look that it has up here. I found that, I don't even know what to call it, but I found out about that type of spray paint. It's kind of like antique glaze, like what you would do when you use chalk paint, but it's in a spray paint form. I learned that from, I'm going to say this wrong because it's not coming out right in my head right now. I'm pretty sure the Instagram handle is Flipping Thrifted, and I'm gonna leave that Instagram link down below. She has the most amazing thrift hauls. She finds the best items and she makes them over. She's actually Love Meg's sister. That's how I found out about her account. Her name is Billy. And anyways, I found out about that spray paint. I can't wait to go buy it. They do sell it at Hobby Lobby. If I can find it, I'm gonna link it down below for you. But I'm gonna do that makeover over on Instagram story, so make sure that you are following me over there as well. This next item I came across on accident and I'm very happy to have spotted it. I got this really nice tray, there we go, and it was only $1. I love this. It has the really nice black velvet bottom with cute little feet, and I love this design that it has. It reminds me of something my paternal grandmother used to have. She used to have her perfumes on top, so that's kind of what I'm going to try to recreate. So this is most definitely going to go in my master bedroom. I'm gonna see if I can show it to you. There we go. So see, it has a mirror. It was only $1. The mirror is in really good shape. It just has like this little stain and the sticker, so that'll be easy to clean up, and I'm gonna clean this up really nice so that it looks as much as it can as my grandma's. The rest of the items are books, and the first book I want to show you is a book I actually got to read. It is Into the Water by Paula Hawkins, and she is the author of The Girl on the Train, which was a great book. Can't wait to start reading this. If you already read this book, or if you want to recommend books like this, leave your recommendations down below and let me know if you've already read this one. If you watched my previous Decorate With Me video, I did haul an orange book, and I found another one. This one is called Adobe Details, which by the way is a good book. I already flipped through the pages, but I love this orange color that it is, and then it has the gold letters, so it's going to be perfect as a book for just decorating. And again, it has amazing pictures inside of Adobe pottery and buildings. Another book I got for decor was this really large one called Hidden Treasures of Ancient Egypt. It is a National Geographic book, so it's full of really nice pictures of Egypt. But again, the thing that I like the most is the color. So it is black and has gold letters, so this will probably be used during my Halloween decorating video. This next book is my absolute favorite find of everything, and it is this vintage book called How You Look and Dress. Copyright date is 1949, and then best part of all is it has a I forget what these are called, but like a checkout library card. It is attached to this book. I'm pretty sure this wasn't the only one because you can kind of see where they take him on and off. And I love that this book was checked out by Leslie, Judy, and then Greg. And it says what school they were from. This is either book number 3 or 13, which I love the number 13. And this book is very, very adorable. It literally has instructions on how you look and dress and what to do. Like, it tells you how to brush your teeth. It gives you different hairstyles. Is that not adorable? It gives you, let me see. It talks about like necklines and how to make your figure look taller. Let me see, there's a page I wanted to show you that literally tells you how to walk, which again I think is just adorable. The right clothes, textiles of your clothes. Oh my gosh, it even has a color page in here. It teaches you about the color wheel and a value scale, so how to pick the colors in your clothes. Oh my gosh, I love this book more and more. It teaches you how to sew. It even tells you how to sew by hand, how to make a skirt, how to make a blouse. how to measure certain things. I love this. I remember being a teenager and renting or checking out a book like this at my local library. It was from 17, and that book taught me so much. It was just little things that either you were embarrassed to ask your parents, or you just needed another girl to tell you, hey, it would look good if you do this based on your shape, and just things that happen. Books like this are really fun. This book gave me a lot of good memories of reading that book, and I think this book is a treasure. I really, really love this. And of course, I had to get some books for my Etsy shop. So I just bought some paperback books. I rip off the covers. Some of them already don't have covers. I buy them at different prices, and I do DIYs with them. And I also have some stamp books over on my Etsy shop. I'm going to leave that linked down below. I'm actually going to do a Halloween set for this video, just so that I have something else to show you at the end of this video, because I feel bad that I'm not decorating with a lot of these items. So I do this all the time. I'm going to show you the stamp I'm going to use. It is going to be Halloween themed, so I'm going to be using this stamp that says spooky on these books, and I'm going to be using either orange or black jute twine. I still don't know exactly which one I'm going to do. I want to use orange because I have orange, but I think I'm going to do more black for Halloween, and these are Halloween books after all. So let me show you how I do those. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, I do have a video specifically on how I do my stamp books. Over on that video, I also have links to the exact stamps that I use if you want to start selling them locally, or if you want to start your own Etsy shop selling your own stamp books. I have all of that information in that video. that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed my vintage thrift store finds. Leave me in the comments down below which was your favorite item that I found. Again, my favorite is that book on how you look and dress. I cannot wait to use that somewhere, or maybe just keep it as a bedside book for me over in my master bedroom. And as always, I do want to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. As always, also like, comment, and share my video. That really helps my channel to grow. I am on the road to 10,000 and I am really close. I feel like we're going to make it happen before my YouTube anniversary, so I'm really excited about that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.